Anime or Japanese cartoons hold a special place in my heart as they bring back cherished childhood memories. They were my first inspiration to pick up a pencil and express myself through arts. My artistic journey began with copying characters using pencils, and over time, I ventured into the captivating world of watercolors. Now, I find immense joy in creating fan arts, designing my own characters, and bringing them to life with the fluidity and vibrancy of watercolors. Hi, I'm Bianca Lustre from Batangas, Philippines, and I'll be your teacher for today's class. Throughout this creative session, we will embark on an exciting journey of crafting our own unique anime character and bring it to life with watercolors. Our process starts with crafting a mood board, creating reference images to set the tone and style for our character's design. Then, choose the appropriate facial features, discuss the proportions of the face, create thumbnail sketches and color study, practice different watercolor techniques, and then paint our artwork. Allow me to share the simple workflow I've adopted for designing anime characters. Before, I've hesitated to create fan arts or invent my own characters, but as I broke down the steps into manageable actions, the process became a delightful experience. By the end of this class, you'll be the proud creator of your very own unique anime character, reflecting your personal preferences in color, costume, and overall appearance. While some experience in both pencil and brush handling is beneficial, beginners are more than welcome to join in the fun. This class is meant to be an enjoying and enriching experience for all. So, let's immerse ourselves in the enchanting world of anime, grab your materials, and let's get started. Our goal in this class is to design, draw, and paint our own anime character. For your reference, please download the class guide in the Resources tab, which contains different inspirations for the facial features, the face proportion guide, scanned copies of the sketch and studies, and the finished artwork. This class is divided into 4 major parts: character design, where we will decide on how our character looks and the facial features appropriate for it; drawing phase, where we will create small studies and finalize the sketch; watercolor techniques, where we'll practice necessary techniques in rendering the character in color; and finally, painting, where we will bring the character into life. Here's what you'll need to prepare for this class: an app like Pinterest or Canva for our mood board, pencils, one hard and one soft. I use 2H and 6B, eraser, a sketch pad or sketch paper, transfer paper, backing board, masking tape, watercolor paper, watercolor brushes, a small and a big round brush will do, watercolor paints. The colors will depend on the palette that you will decide on later, water jar, and a rag or paper towel, and watercolor pencils or colored pencils for the outline, though these are optional. So, download the class guide, prepare your materials, and let's create the mood board in the next video.